Office of Instruction and Innovative Practice and the entire Cobb County School District is committed to providing balanced instruction in math and English language arts from kindergarten through graduation. It is critical that students start with a strong foundation from which they can approach more rigorous applications of the content standards. Let's look at what this actually means for math and ELA instruction in Cobb. Here's Elizabeth Cobia, supervisor of K-12 English Language Arts, to walk us through the ELA balanced model.
In Cobb County Schools, K-12 Balanced Literacy Instruction focuses on students reading, speaking, and writing about quality text. The Cobb County Teaching and Learning Standards in English Language Arts specifically provide a required set of proficiencies in reading, writing, listening, speaking, and language. So what does balanced literacy instruction mean? In essence, students read to, speak to, and write from, about, and around text. But first, let's start with our foundation. The reading foundational skills are critical in supporting students' proficiency in reading, speaking, listening, and writing. These skills are embedded and ongoing in instruction. In grades K-5, students are learning to become fluent readers and writers. Therefore, they receive explicit instruction in phonics, spelling, and vocabulary. These skills are reinforced and further developed for students in grades 6-12. Now that we have an understanding of our foundation, let's explore what it means to read to, speak to, and write from, about, and around text. Actively engaging students in grade level text is central to reading instruction. This means that students regularly access these texts during direct instruction. With the teacher's guidance, students closely read and interact with text. During this direct modeling of grade level text, students are building the essential skills they need to critically read and respond to text. To build reading stamina and engagement, teachers may then help students choose a variety of nonfiction or fiction texts that are appropriate to their individual reading level. Closely married to reading is speaking and listening. To build reading comprehension and understanding, students speak to the text they read. This means they make connections and engage in meaningful conversations about them. They use evidence or examples to support their opinion or arguments. And moreover, they listen to one another's understanding of text. Finally, they demonstrate a command of standard English when speaking. Directly linked to reading, speaking, and listening is writing. Therefore, writing occurs as a result of what students read and discuss. Students write and use evidence or examples from multiple texts or sources to inform, explain, or make an argument. They also write narratives detailing real or imagined experiences. Moreover, they choose topics that are of interest to them and compose writing pieces that are appropriate to their purpose and intended audience. And finally, students demonstrate a command of standard English in their writing.
Now that we understand the balanced instructional model for English Language Arts, Michelle Mikes, supervisor of K-12 Mathematics, will explain how balanced instruction is applied in our mathematics classrooms.
In the Cobb County School District, K-12 balanced mathematics instruction focuses on the acquisition of math skills through conceptual instructional strategies for true mathematic concept understanding, resulting in our students being able to think critically and apply higher-order problem-solving skills. Cobb's teaching and learning standards in mathematics provide rigorous components of foundational skills, application and problem-solving that are directly impacted by the standards for mathematical practice. The standards for mathematical practice are good habits of mathematical thinkers that result in fluency of mathematical topics. Fluency is a skill in carrying out procedures flexibly, accurately, efficiently, and appropriately. The focus is no longer with speed and memorization. The practices describe the expertise to develop in students' ability to problem solve, to reason, to communicate, to represent and connect concepts for strategic competence and for conceptual understanding, for procedural fluency, but overall to see mathematics as sensible, useful, and worthwhile. These practices are directly connected to the mathematics standards and embedded into instruction to develop student practitioners of the discipline of mathematics. Mathematics foundational skills are the conceptual understanding of mathematical concepts. Students investigate and discover new math concepts through the use of manipulatives, technology, models, and simulations tied to real-life examples. As students understand the concepts, they are able to represent the math in a variety of approaches, such as a model, a graphic, a table or chart, with numbers and symbols, or in a contextual situation. Students strengthen their computation strategies, facts, and procedures, resulting in the development of fluency in mathematics. Explanation and justifying their thinking are key components for true conceptual understanding of mathematics. Students use the concepts and skills they acquire to apply and problem solve deeper mathematical concepts. They may work individually or collaboratively to reason abstractly. Students solve word problems that lead to problem solving. Problem solving may be in the form of a task to apply the math concepts to a new or unique situation. Some of these tasks may be open-ended, where different approaches and different solutions may be appropriate. STEM challenges and problem-based learning are real-life applications for students to apply their mathematical knowledge. When the standards for mathematical practice, mathematics foundational skills, application and problem solving intersect, the result is balanced mathematics instruction for the students of the Cobb County School District.
Through our commitment to balanced instruction in math and English language arts, students in Cobb gain a deeper understanding of their content standards. This deeper connection leads to more success in the classroom and eventually in their life outside of school. Please visit the Cobb County website to access more detailed information on teaching and learning in our district.